This is one of the most important yet underreported outcomes from the OpenAI and Google announcements. It's how AI agents will change how we interact with software and applications. Think about all the applications and software you interact with daily, from personal use to work, to websites, to web apps, to phone apps, and more. The release of GPT-4o, Google's Project Astra whenever that comes out, and whatever else Meta, Anthropic, and the others will be releasing will all have AI agents that will see and hear the environment around us, has memory, can search online, connected to our data, which OpenAI has already released, connected to Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and Google already has these connections as well. Send communications, organize, reserve, or even purchase, and they'll be all connected to our devices. If the rumors are true, Apple and OpenAI have reached an agreement, and you'll see parts of, or maybe the full aspect of ChatGPT or GPT-4o in conjunction with Siri or completely replacing Siri. And these agent capabilities will only get better. Remember that today is the worst that AI will be. They'll be able to interact with applications better than we can. And we can assign them tasks that we don't want to do, like reviewing Slacks or emails. This is a significant shift in our digital interactions, deploying AI agents based on task, comfort level, agent capabilities, and more. Whether it's a task, such as writing an email, or a goal, such as over the next week, write an excuse for anyone asking me in Slack to review documents. And this isn't years away, it's months away. And this leads to all the software and applications that need to accommodate both the human and the agents. Some of the key questions that we should be asking are, how will applications, devices, and websites interact with these AI agents? How will we make it easier for both the agent and the human to find what they're looking for? And how will they enable easier actions? How will they protect against malicious agents? And how will they safeguard our privacy? Every single business and application developer will need to start thinking about these questions over the next couple months and the next couple years, whether to take advantage of the opportunities and to safeguard against the risks.